In this question, if I multiply x power 1 by 3 and x power 1 by 3 in denominator and divide x power 1 by 3 in denominator, what will I get? Let's see. So if I am writing this x power 1 by 3 here, and the dividing one is x power 1 by 2 divided by x power 1 by 3 plus x power 1 by 3 divided by x power 1 by 3. So I'll get, so it will be I equals to integration dx by x power 1 by 3, and it will become x power 1 by 6 plus 1, so which is also given in the question as hint. So now here a hint is also given that if I put x equals to t power 6, then maybe the integration will get simplified. So use this hint and substitute x equals to t power 6. I will get dx equals to 6 t power 5 dt. So it will be integration 6 t power 5 dt divided by value of x is t power 6, so t power 6 into 1 by 6, sorry, t power here 1 by 3, so t power 6 into 1 by 3, and here t power 6 into 1 by 6 plus 1. So here I'll get I equals to integration 6 t power 5 dt by t square, it will become t plus 1. So I'll get 6 integration t power cube divided by t plus 1 dt. Now since it is not in proper rational function, so if I divide t cube by t plus 1, then what will I get? It will be t square, so t square plus t and minus minus, so t cube, sorry, it is t cube plus t, so t square plus t square, t cube plus t square, so t cube minus t cube 0, so minus t square, now minus t square, so the second will be minus of t square by t, so which is minus t, so minus t, so it will minus t square, and now minus t multiplied by plus 1, so minus t, here it will be plus 1 plus 1, so minus t square plus t square 0. I'll get the remainder is t. Now t by t is 1, so plus 1, and 1 into t plus 1 is 1 into t plus 1 is t plus 1, so t plus 1 minus minus t is 0, and it will be minus 1, so the remainder is minus 1, and the factor is t square minus t plus 1, so our integration I is now changed 6 integration t square minus t plus 1 minus 1 by t plus 1 dt. So I can calculate the integration now. So 6 integration of t square will be t cube by 3, integration of t will be t square by 2, and integration of 1 is t, minus integration of 1 by t plus 1 will be log t plus 1. So this will be our final answer, and plus c is the integration constant. and since value of t is calculated from here, which will be t equals to x power 1 by 6. So if I put the value in our final answer, I'll get I equals to 6 x power 1 by 6 into 3 by 3 minus x power 1 by 6 into 2 by 2 plus x power 1 by 6 minus log x power 1 by 6 plus 1 and plus c. So I'll get I equals to 6. It will become root x by 3 minus it will become x power 1 by 3 by 2 plus x power 1 by 6 minus log x power 1 by 6 plus 1 plus c. So this will be our final answer.